Hi grade 2, welcome back to your ELGA class. So today we are moving to our new topic, that is unit 2. Okay, so unit 1 we all completed and I hope you all learned it, right? Okay children, so today we are going to move to our next topic, that is unit 2, level C2, that is sharing the planet with plants. Okay, so in this unit 2 you all going to study about plants, trees, its uses, um, all about trees. Okay children, yeah. So unit 1, before our class start we learn about learning outcomes, right? Yeah, here unit 2 also they have given learning outcomes. Okay, first we can read it, next we move on to our topic. Okay children, yeah. So learning outcomes, first you are going to learn what? Phonics. Okay, phonics, read and write words with vowels A and E. Then distinguish between letters, words and sentences. So here you are going to learn what is the differences, what is the distinguish between letters, words and sentences. Okay, then read and write words with vowels A and E. Okay, yeah. Next, whole words, recognize and read 18 words on sight and read whole words in a sentence. Okay, so whole words in a sentence you are going to learn here. Then reading and listening comprehensions, identify setting in a story, then ask and answer factual questions, then classify vocabulary words in categories. Okay, then grammar, identify and differentiate naming words, that is here you are going to learn about singular and plural, what is singular and what is plural. Then naming words like common noun and proper noun you are going to learn here. Okay, so common noun and proper noun you are going to learn, singular plural is also you are going to learn. Then writing and speaking expression, writing letters without tracing lines. So first you have learned about tracing lines, right? So here what? Without a tracing line you are going to write letters. Okay. Then draw and label to express. So you are going to draw something and label its parts or label what is that to express your thoughts. Okay. Then explain using short sentences. Then general awareness is stories on importance and taking care of plants. So here you are going to learn full and full about what? Stories on importance of taking care of plants and trees. Why we should take care of plants and trees and how it is useful for us. Okay. So create a poster on how to save plants. So you should create a poster on how to save plants. Okay, so that's all you are going to learn in this unit 2. Okay children, yeah. Next, all of you take your book now, your ELGA book. Take your ELGA book, take page number 25. Page number 25. Okay, yeah, you all took. Okay children, so here word families. First you are going to learn word families. Okay, so A, D word family you are going to learn today. Okay, A, D word families. Okay, family you are going to learn A, D. A, D. So the last two letters must be this A, D. Okay, so lot of rhyming words based on this A, D you are going to learn. Okay, rhyming words means the words which sounds like same. Okay, which sounds like same. So AD letter words we are going to learn. Okay children, so rhyming word is nothing but the words which sounds like same. Okay, yeah. So here look at this picture. These are all about AD word family. Okay, the letters ends with AD. 3-letter word you are going to learn here. Okay, 3-letter word. So first word is dad. Okay, dad. D-A-D. Dad. A-D. D-A-D. Dad. Next, P-A-D. Pad. F-A-D, lad. F-A-D, fad. T-A-D, tad. So, listen here. All the words ends with A-D, A-D. Okay, so word A-D. Word family A-D. Dad, pad, mad, sad, bad, lad, fad, tad. So these all rhymes like same, right? It sounds same. Yes or no? See this dad, pad, mad, fad, lad, tad. Yeah? These all words what? Sounds same, right? So AD words you are learning here. Okay? AD words. Okay? So DAD, dad, PAD, pad, MAD, mad, SAD, sad, BAD, bad, LAD, lad, FAD, fad, TAD, tad. Okay? You all clear? So this is word family. Okay? Yeah. So read the sentences below. So some sentences are given here based on this AD bird family. Okay? AD word. Okay? Yeah. So first word is, first sentence is, my friend is sad. Okay? So my friend is sad. What do you mean sad? Look at this picture. Look at this emoji. This smiley. This emoji. It is looking very sad, right? Is it sad or happy? Children, is it sad or happy? Sad, right? Okay. So, the sentence is, my friend is sad. Why he is feeling so sad? My friend is sad. Okay. So, next, I feel bad. Okay. So, next, I love my dad. You all love your dad, right? Yeah, like the same. He also loves his dad. Okay. I love my dad. What is on the pad? So, what is on the pad? Somebody is writing something on the pad. So, he is asking what is on the pad. Next, there is a lad. There is a lad. What do you mean lad? Young man, young lady. We call lad. Okay. Young man or young lady. Lad. Okay. So, there is a lad. There is a lad. Okay. So, the sentences are, my friend is sad. Okay. My friend is sad. So, next sentence is, I feel bad. So, sad, bad. I love my dad. Sad, bad, dad. Next. What is on the pad? So, sad, bad, dad, pad. Okay. There is a lad. So, these are all AD word. Okay. AD word. AD word family. These are all AD word family. Okay. So, you should write more words. Okay. Try to write more words on this AD. Okay. This AD. Lad, tad, fad, lad. Lots other words. Some other words are there. So, you should try to write it. Okay. By your own. Okay. Try to write it. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about AN word family. Okay. AN word family. First we learn AD. Now we are going to learn what? Not AD. AN. Okay. AN word family. Okay. AN word family. So, here also the same. We learned AD, no? Like the same. Here also some words we are going to learn on AN word family. Okay. AN word family. Okay, children? Yeah. Look at the book. MAN, man. MAN, man. VAN, van. PAN, pan. FAN, fan. BAN, ban. CAN, can. TAN, tan. RAN, ran. Okay. So, shall I write it? Yeah, one by one you have to say. Okay, first word is, what is the first word? MAN, man. Okay, what is the second one? Can you say anybody? Second one? Very good. VAN, van. So, what is the next word? Look at your book and say, what's the third word given in your book? PAN, pan. So, the next word? good. F-A-N, fan. So the next word? Next word? Yes, very good. B-A-N, ban. So the next word? C-A-N, can. So the next word? Yes, T-A-N, tan. The next word? Say. Yes, R-A-N, ran. Okay, so these are some words about A-N and word family. Okay, so first we learned A-D word family. Now we are learning A-N word family. Okay, so the first word is M-A-N, man. Man. See, listen. Man, van, pan, fan, ban, can, tan, ran. So these are all words. Sounds same, right? Yeah. So M-A-N, man. V-A-N, van. P-A-N, pan. Say. Say along with me. Yeah. F-A-N, fan. B-A-N, ban. C-A-N, can. T-A-N, tan. R-A-N, ran. Okay. Yeah. So here also the same, some sentences are given. Shall we read it? Yeah. Can you see the man? So, can you see the man? I see a van. There is a can. She has a pan. The dog ran away. So, listen. Man, van, can, pan, ran. So, these are all sounds same. Okay, rhyming words. A-N word family. Okay. So, the sentences are, can you see the man? I see a van. There is a can. She has a pan. The dog ran away. Okay. So these are some sentences. Okay. Shall we read it again? This both. Yeah. Say along with me. Okay. Together we can say. So first word is AD word family. Okay. AD word family. First word with the spelling you should say. Okay. Yeah. D-A-D, dad. P-A-D, pad. M-A-D, mad. S-A-D, sad. B-A-D, bad. L-A-D, lad. F-A-D, fad. T-A-D, tad. Yeah? I hope you all said with me, right? Okay. So the next one. A-N. Okay. Yeah. With the spelling. M-A-N, man. V-A-N, van. P-A-N, pan. F-A-N, fan. B-A-N, ban. C-A-N, can. T-A-N, tan. R-A-N, ran. Okay? Yeah. So, some sentences are given. Shall we read the both? Yeah, look at your book and read. Okay? Read along with me. So, first AD word family. Okay? My friend is sad. My friend is sad. I feel bad. I love my dad. What is on the pad? There is a lad. Okay. Then AN word family. Can you see the man? I see a van. There is a can. She has a pan. The dog ran away. Okay. So what do you mean by pan? A frying pan. Okay. Yeah. So your mom, she used to fry fish on the frying pan, right? So that is pan. Look at this picture. This is pan. Okay. Yeah. Okay, children. Take next page. Next word family is AT. Okay. So 3 word family we are going to learn now. Okay, 3 word family. First one is AD. Next is AN. Then we are going to learn AT word family. Okay, children? Okay. Let me rub it now. Okay. So, next AT word family. Okay. So, look at here. H-A-T, hat. AT. H-A-T, hat. Next, M-A-T, mat. Next, R-A-T, rat. Next, F-A-T, fat. Next, S-A-T, sat. Next, P-A-T, pat. Next, C-A-T, cat. Next, B-A-T, bat. Okay. So listen here also. The bird ends with what? A-T. Okay. The word ends with A-T. So the first word is, say, H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. F-A-T, fat. S-A-T, sat. P-A-T, pat. C-A-T, cat. B-A-T, bat. Okay. This also, lot of other words are there. You should write by yourself. Okay. Yeah. Some sentences are given like the same we learned previous, right? So some sentences are given. Let us write it. Read it now. Okay. Yeah. I see a cat. I see a cat. The cat is fat. Okay. So I see a cat and the cat is fat. Okay. Both fat. Then I pat the cat. What do you mean by pat? Pat. I pat the cat. P-A-T, pat. Pat means, how we can say, yeah, if you get good marks in your exams, your father or mother will pat you, will appreciate you by patting. What do you mean patting? Like this. They will do, right? That is patting. Okay. So, pat. There is a blue mat. A rat sat on the mat. Okay. So, these are some rhyming AT word family. Okay. So, I see a cat. Okay. Cat. You all like cat, right? Yeah. Some children, you have cat as a pet at home, right? Okay. So, I see a cat. The cat is fat. I pat the cat. There is a blue mat. A rat sat on the mat. Okay. So, these are other the same words with sentences. Okay. So, lot of other words are there. You should write it. Okay. Yeah. So, first we learn what? First we learn A-T word family, right? A-T, A-D word family. First we learn A-D word family. Next we learn A-N word family. Next we learn A-T word family. Okay. So, first A-D we learned. Dad, pat, mad, sad, bad, lad, fat, tad. Yeah? Some other words can you say with this A-D? With this A-D? Can you say some other words with A-D? Anybody? With A-N? With A-T? Any three other words? Can anybody? Yeah. So, some other words are, for A-D, we can say what? Had. A-D. See? Had we can say. Add. Yeah. Had, add we can say. Okay. This is only 3-letter word. Okay. So, other 4-letter word, 5-letter words are there. Okay. So, 4-letter words like glad, slad. Okay. Glad, slad, clad. So, these are some words. 4-letter word. Okay. 4-letter words. So, like this 5-letter words are there which ends with this AD. Okay. So, then next word what we learn? AD next AN, right? AN. Yeah. AN. Other some words are 3-letter word. Can you say? Ban. Then what? Yeah, this is 3-letter word. So 4-letter words are there. Okay, 4-letter words are. Think about 4-letter word. A-N. 4-letter word. A-N. Yeah. Plan. P-L-A-N. Plan. See, ends with the A-N. 4-letter word. Plan. Then scan. Scan. Yes. 4-letter word. A-N. Yeah. Okay. Then Dan. T-H-A-N. Dan. T-H-A-N. Dan. Ends with the A-N. Okay. So 4-letter word. Then can you say A-T? 3-letter word, 4-letter word. A-T. A-T. Here. A-T. VAT. 3-letter word. VAT. Okay. Then 4-letter word. Can you say 4-letter word with the A-T? Ends with the A-T. 4-letter word. Try. 4-letter word ends with the A-T. At. It ends with at. Rat, cat, fat. Right? So, like this, 4-letter word ends with at. At. Chat. C-H-A-T. Chat. Ends with the A-T. 4-letter word. Chat. Flat. F-L-A-T. Flat. Ends with the A-T. Flat. Chat. Flat. A-T. Okay. At. Flat. Then chat. Flat. Then any word? That. T-H-A-T. That. Ends with the A-T. 4-letter word. Okay. So, like this. Understand, children? Do you all understand? A-T, A-N, A-D. Okay. All clear about this? A-T, A-N, A-D. It ends with what? The word which ends with same letter. A-T, A-N, A-D. All. Okay. So, that's called what? Rhyming word. The word which sounds like same. Yes or no? Hat, fat, rat, mat. It sounds same, right? Yeah, like the same. A-N. Ban, can, ran, fan, tan. Yeah, these are all sounds same. A-T, A-D, add, mad. Okay. Next word. Add, mad, had. Okay. These all sounds same. Okay, children. So, these are all about what? Your today's word family. Okay, children. All clear about word family? Okay. So, now take your worksheet. Take your worksheet, all of you. So, how much we completed? Yeah. So, page number 21. Page number 21. Till 20 we completed, right? Yes. So, page number 21. Circle the pictures with some beginning sounds. Circle the pictures with some beginning sounds. Rat, egg, mango, frog, leaf, lips, bag, plant. So, some pictures are given. Circle the pictures with the same beginning sound. Okay, with sounds the same. Okay, you should what? Circle it. Next, circle the picture with the same beginning sounds. Same. Okay, sounds with sounds same. You should circle it. Okay. Next, whole words. Already we learned, right? Circle the word you hear. Help, baker, brings, van, be, teach, us, girl, this. So, you have to circle the words you hear. Okay. Next. See, vocabulary words. Vocabulary words from which lesson? From which lesson this is about? Can anybody say? Yes, very good. Our helpers. Okay. So, with names are given, pictures are given, you should match it. Okay, yes. Then letter writing. See, trace this letter and write. Yeah, that's all. Okay, up to page number 23, 21, 22, 23. Easy. Okay, children, so you should do it. So that's all about today's class. So learn well. Read your books. Okay, read what I taught twice, thrice. You should read always. When you get free time, you should read not only English, all the subjects you should read. Okay, children, study well and write your exams well. Do your activities. Then what? That's all. Do your activities. Do your homeworks. Okay, children. So thank you and see you next class. Bye.